Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I will walk you through the whole process of how to collect Shopify API credentials like app ID or client ID, then client secret, and finally access token. Right now I am inside my store. For you, the interface will remain same. First you will click on this settings and then click on apps. From here click on develop apps. Then click on build apps in dev dashboard. From this right top option, click on create app. Then give it a name. For me, I will write here shop dev app. You can write any name you want. Then finally click on create. Okay, from here, please untick this checkbox and you can write here https://google.com, and in the scope section, click on select scopes, and from here select all scopes. I will select all which are related to orders and products and inventory. So I will select orders and then inventory, shipments, again orders, reports, and again orders, okay, that's all. Okay, I can select also product tags. You can select all the scopes as per your requirement. Okay, that's all. Now let's finally click on this done and just scroll it here. You can type here again https://google.com, and finally click on this last button, release, and here you can write any name. And you can write here as you wish. Now let's click on this button, release. Okay, now I will click on settings, and here I got the client ID and here the client secret. I will copy this one, client ID and client secret, and from here I will copy this store name. This is my store. I will copy this store name. Now I will use Postman to collect API credentials like access token. So this is my Postman. I will create a collection . Okay, now I will add one request. Okay, now let's see the API documentation. So this is the API documentation page. Here everything is written in detail. It is saying use your credentials to get an access token. We will use our credentials like client ID and client secret. Okay, here's more details. We have to use this endpoint. Okay, let's copy this one. I will paste it here. Now I will replace this shop name or store name. And then we have to add the grant type, client credentials, in the body section. I will select the body, I will select row and then JSON, and here client credentials, grant type, it will be client credentials. Okay, then copy this client ID and I will write here the client ID, then client secret, I will paste here the client secret, and here you can see it's a post request, so I will change it as a post, and now everything is good. I think now we can send the API request. Okay, we got something like this, that OAuth error, app not installed. So now what we can do, we have to install our app. If I go to home, you can see there's an option saying install app. I will click on here, then I will select my store, then finally I will click on install. Okay, this is the redirect URL, that's why it appeared here. You can close it down and you can try here one more time. Okay, now you can see I successfully got the access token and all scopes details which all I selected, and this is the time. After this specific time, this access token will be invalid. Okay, now we got the access token. I will show you on one more test to get all orders. So here, this is the order endpoints where we can get all orders from. So I will click, okay, I will copy this whole curl code. I will go, first I will save it, then I will import it. Okay, so now I will change my store name. And in the header section, I will update the access token. I got the access token from here. I will copy it and I will paste it here. Now I will send the API request to get all orders. Right now it's a new account, there's no orders, that's why the order array is empty. Okay, that's how it is working, and I hope this video helped you a lot for learning how to collect API credentials like access token and all other credentials like client ID and client secret. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can comment below, or if you have similar project related to this Shopify API integration anywhere, you can comment me, or you can send me WhatsApp message or email. My WhatsApp number and email is now given in the comment box. You can check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching this video till end. See you again. Bye bye.